Part of our renovations usually includes doing a full kitchen renovation, and that can be very stressful for a customer. So what we do is we actually have the Wolf Artisan line of cabinets with a couple others, but also have an in-house professional that comes out and measures everything down to the centimeter to account for all your trim pieces, all your fill pieces, and we also offer down to the wood species, the design, and the hardware that's going to go on to your cabinets. We have options that you can make your selections off of, whether you want to be contemporary or you want to be a little traditional, you want to be a little colonial. Your cabinets are going to have to complement your floors as well as your countertops. We handle all that selections here in the showroom for you to help put all that together with our design team. These designs right here come in multiple array of selections, and it really comes down to your personal choice. Like again, it goes back to what style are you looking for? A little more modern, a little more contemporary. We have those options right here on many selection boards. Right now, most people are going towards the shaker style and the box square look hardware combination, which is pretty popular right now and looks great in any kitchen. We work through a scheduling system through our website at romingersrenovations.com. There you can go online and schedule your appointment with us.